Restaurant Sealing, Restoration, and Protection. Do you need to restore the floors in your restaurant? Are you considering new floors but wish you could bring the existing ones back to life? Do you wish it cost less to maintain the floors, countertops, and metal surfaces in your dining area, kitchen, and bathrooms? If the answer is yes to any of those questions, then RexPro Sealers could be a great solution for your restaurant. Grease is a challenge for restaurants because it quickly penetrates into grout, concrete, and stone, and it sticks to metal cooking equipment. RexPro makes a family of nano-ceramic coatings that penetrates down into the substrate of restaurant surfaces while providing a protective topical coating. This prevents grease and dirt from penetrating into grout. It stops odor in bathrooms, and it makes surfaces easier and faster to clean. Used by some of the top restaurant chains, the RexPro system creates an ultra-hard barrier between your restaurant and the common wear and tear that would otherwise be done to it. We have a national network of applicators who can bring your vision to reality in your kitchens, dining areas, bathrooms, and more. To start lowering your maintenance costs and beautify your restaurant today, give us a call and let's seal something.